Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Ever since I have started my YouTube journey, this is my first finance related video, and in this video I'm going to share with you guys few ways on how to reduce your monthly expenses. Definitely I'm not a financial advisor in any way, but these are the ways which I follow to reduce my monthly expenses, and it helped me a lot, and I hope it will help you guys as well up to a certain extent. So hey guys, this is Hema and you're watching me on ProEd Academy. I'm sure many of us might have felt at some or the other point of time that our expenses are going on higher and higher, and that too unwanted and unnecessary expenses. The problem with every one of us is that when we earn 10,000 rupees a month, we spend accordingly, and when we earn 50,000 rupees a month, our living gets enhanced a bit. And when we earn a lakh or more a month, we start to dream of living in a luxury. So here, clearly it means that human wants increases as per the income and they are unlimited. But if we keep on spending money unnecessarily, then a day might end up showing us the value of money. So the key is spending money on stuff that is required, keeping our priorities on top. In that way, we can reduce our monthly expenses and we can start saving. Definitely, one cannot have any control on our fixed expenses like our house rent, child educational fees, EMI, utility bills, etc. But recurring expenses, that can definitely be taken care of. So it's very important for any one of us to know where our money is going on and to track our expenses. And if we don't know where our money is going on, we won't be able to know where to reduce our monthly expenses. So here guys, in this video, you will get to know few ways in which you can reduce your monthly expenses. The first way to reduce your monthly expenses is on grocery shopping. How many of you guys have experienced a situation that you went into a supermarket or a grocery store just for a loaf of bread and came out with a basket full of items? I did it so many times in the past. Before you even visit a supermarket or a grocery store, it's very important that you take a turn around your kitchen and your refrigerator to know exactly what's there and what not, and then prepare a grocery or shopping list accordingly. Doing this will actually avoid you from unnecessary spendings and keeps you away from spending money on stuff that is not required. The second way to reduce your monthly expenses is by preparing your own meals at home instead of dining out. I know dining out is one of the best way to spend time with family and friends, but if it is on an occasional basis, then this is not to be considered at all. But if it is something which is very frequent and very often, then this has to be considered very seriously. We all know restaurant food is much more expensive than home cooked meals. If you guys been following my channel for quite some time now, then you guys know well that I've already spoken about it in one of my videos. Anyways, carrying your lunch boxes to work and preparing your own meals at home as often as possible can be a great way to reduce your monthly expenses by huge. The third and the most important way to reduce your monthly expenses is by limiting your credit card usage. It's very important for anyone to know how to use a credit card wisely, its advantages and its disadvantages before you even apply for a credit card. If you have a good control on your credit card usage, it can be very beneficial at the time of emergencies. But most of the times it's just like blowing your budget, because it actually gives an opportunity to spend money which we don't even have, and that actually becomes a huge financial burden at the time of bill payments. The fourth way to reduce your monthly expenses is on clothing and fashion. Knowing how to spend less on clothes can be a great way to reduce your monthly expenses. One of the first things which can be taken care is to eliminate online clothing shopping entirely, which can be done just from the comfort of a home. This actually attracts you to buy clothes that we don't even need. And especially we ladies or girls are such that we own a lot of clothes but have nothing to wear. I would advise you not to buy clothes unless you really need them just because they are on sale. If you keep on buying clothes just for the fantasies of our lives, then in reality, then you end up owning a lot of clothes but have nothing to wear. And the last way to reduce your monthly expenses is by simplifying your beauty routine. Cutting back on beauty products and doing a basic skincare at home by following DIY skincare or beauty videos on YouTube, which requires basic ingredients like sugar, yogurt, curd, honey, etc., can be a great way to reduce your monthly expenses by huge. For your hair removal needs, you can use a razor or a hair removal cream, or even you can keep a waxing kit at home which can be just used several times instead of just spending money on parlors every now and then. And most importantly, keeping your body hydrated all the time. And if you can take good care of your skin by eating right and healthy and having a sound sleep, can be much more effective in keeping your skin healthy and glowing than any beauty parlors or any beauty products in this world. With this, it comes to the end of today's video, and I hope the ways which I spoke about will be a little helpful in reducing your monthly expenses. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like the video. And if you like the video, please do not forget to hit that big thumbs up button. Please share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching once again. I will see you all soon in my next video. Bye.